I saw nothing for me in being Jewish, except I had to be because there was Hitler. I couldn't, the anti-Semites made me a Jew. The Jews made me want to escape being a Jew, or the Jews that I knew in the Bronx. I didn't know the kind of Jews that I wanted to hang out and be around with until I moved to Manhattan or started hanging out in Manhattan. Then I discovered a whole other class of people who were, my God, like me. But I didn't know any smart-ass, funny, wise guy, what later became known as Jewish humor, Philip Roth, Mel Brooks. I didn't know any of that in the Bronx. We didn't have that. The only funny guy around was me, that I knew. So it was only when I started, long before I moved to Manhattan, only when I started hanging out in Manhattan, that I realized it wasn't so bad being a Jew, because I'm not the only Jew like this. There's a second Jew like that, and a third, and there's a whole army of Jews who didn't seem to be in the Bronx. They came from Brooklyn mostly. I'm sure some did, but I just didn't know them. And so I felt totally cut off until in my teenage years, when I started working in Manhattan, getting part-time jobs, and discovered I was not alone.